What's up, you guys? Infinite Space News here. Snapple fact of the day: karate originated in India. I knew that one already, but I'm sure many of you did not. Alright, anyway, first up in the news, we have a SpaceX story. Now, y'all know I love myself some Elon Musk, not in a gay way, of course. And recently, SpaceX was actually awarded $109 million, I think along with ULA, specifically for interstellar mapping. Now, apparently they're supposed to be making a mapping probe, and this probe will be used, from what I've heard and seen, is for finding water on the moon, as well as, most importantly, going to the outskirts of the solar system. So I thought that was pretty cool. We got some of the best rocket companies in the entire world doing it, so can't wait to see what comes of that. I think it's going to be launched in 2024 or something like that, so not too far away for space research wise anyway, relative to that time scale. But yeah, thought that was pretty cool. Alright, next in the news, we have something that's very, very cool, and that is powering the moon. Now, recently I've noticed that NASA is getting very, very antsy with the Artemis program. They don't seem to be very confident, or at least very, they seem very hopeful that they'll be able to finish it, but not very confident, is what I should say. And they seem to be partnering up with Hero X, which is a company I've never heard before, actually, and they're making a competition called NASA's Watts on the Moon Challenge. Now, I don't know exactly what this challenge entails, but I'm pretty sure it is finding some way to have power on the moon, and this is likely not going to be solar power, because if you think about it, the moon has longer nights than we do, like far longer nights than we do, and so that would be a very big problem. And when I say far longer, I mean like hundreds of hours of darkness instead of tens of hours. So really, this is an interesting thing. I'm pretty sure they're doing this so that they can power their Artemis program even more. And yeah, if any of you are interested in that, please look it up. It sounds very cool, and I'm honestly hoping that they do succeed with this, my bad, because this could actually lead to the development of colonies on the moon much sooner than we anticipated. Though that's not very likely, it will definitely contribute to when we do actually have colonies on the moon. Whomever gets there first, well, we'll have to wait to see. Alright, last thing in news, we have ULA, as I was mentioning before actually. Their Delta IV, I believe Super Heavy is called, had to get postponed, their launch of it. It was supposed to be launched today, I believe, at about 11 or maybe about 12 o'clock, somewhere around there, but it had to get postponed due to lightning storms. So yeah, that's a bit of a sad thing that happened, but good news, it's still happening. It's happening tomorrow, in fact, at 11:58 specifically. So yeah, you guys better watch it. Sounds pretty cool. Alright, last thing in news is something I wanted to touch on, and that is the Space Force. Now, the Space Force, as I thought originally, was or at least what I thought it was a military unit in space, basically, but that's actually not exactly what it is, though that might be what it becomes, who knows. But currently, they're actually working on many science-related things, and specifically, they've been tasked with monitoring weather data and making it better. That was once a task for the U.S. Air Force, but now it's for the Space Force. So I figured I'd touch on that, a little bit more to know about this new division we have in the U.S. Yeah, maybe they'll do a better job, who knows. Alright, but that's it for today in the news, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all these wonderful news stories, and leave a like if you want, or if you don't want, I don't know. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Make sure you comment on these cool stories, but after that, I will see you next time. So bye for now.